Otherwise, I'm totally convinced this will be the only video you ever need in order to pass the performance account, make profits, or if you're trading in brokers or live account. So today's objective is very simple. Obviously, I will be backtesting my two gem of India which released last week, and I am completely backtesting that as per signals it gave in front of you guys. And then obviously weekly analysis next week, what we can expect in DXY, Nasdaq, Bitcoin, Euro, XAU, etc. etc. And giveaway announcement. It's been a due giveaway announcement of GFT and BB Blueberry, close to $40,000 evaluation account. I will be announcing the winners. I will be picking the winners today, and let's get started. So first of all, much awaited tool start wait dot zone is live. Two indicators you are getting, which is absolutely gem, and I don't know how to even express. This is quite literally best work I ever done, for sure. I have done like crazy stuff like finding bugs in Google, Facebook. One of the blogger bug was one of the best work I have ever did, but this one, it just prints like crazy. And obviously this management, discipline, consistency, all that matters, because that's all trading about. Without risk management, you never gonna make it in trading. Let's just be real. Even if I give you 90% win rate and you're risking randomly one trade $1,000, another trade $10,000 risk, obviously you're gonna get wrecked. You have to stick with a risk management, whether it be 0.5%, 1%, 2%, whatever your live account or platform's rules is. Now tools not wait that zone. Obviously you can enroll for a lifetime just for 11,999, and this is like a steal. I'm being completely honest, this is absolute steal, and so many people are getting payouts already. I gave access to a few of my like OG students, if you will. They have been getting payouts, which is really good. One guy was struggling and he messaged me on WhatsApp, which I think shared on the Instagram as well. Obviously not a financial advice, because I have to say all these things like NFA, do your own research, because uh, that's how the rules is, right? But paper trade, guys, and this is just golden. Okay, so to start with us on is live. You can enroll in Get Pro access, and then you will get access to two indicators, and I will be also giving access to Discord, which I'll finish tonight. Also videos of how to use this indicator, and also how indicators actually works, meaning mechanical strategy behind that indicator, so you can even execute without the help of indicator once you enroll this. And you can obviously use your confidence, use your manual knowledge, and make it even better. And obviously sniper one I will be backtesting now. Smart alerts backtesting support, complete masterclass videos by Wade. Yes, this I will be also providing weekly live reviews as well, and partial evolves and payout strategies. There is another one indicator which is actually free, even you can add, but I will be going behind the strategy behind that in the masterclass videos as well. So make sure you enroll it. The reason why I put 20 days, because I truly don't want my script to leak anyway. So I'm damn sure I will be closing it, pretty much sure, or I will be increasing price to the crazy level no one can. Only damn serious can involve. So this is your chance. Couple of weeks there, almost 3 weeks. Make sure you check that out. And let's start with the backtest, shall we? First, tools.wait.zone. Both indicators I have added in my charts, and I'm live testing in front of you guys right now. And then I will be weekly analysis, obviously. First one is OddCAD. Obviously, smart buy and sell indicators. So first is AUD. So from the Monday, let's go from the Monday. Monday we got three beautiful cells. Look at that. So that's if you risk $1,000, there you go, $3,000 profit. It easily gave one. I don't have to put any, right? This will be your sell signal. And where is the stop loss? Above the break of structure, because this automatically detects the trend, which is manually very hard, right? But people always get confused. Zin is so powerful, I can't even talk. Anyway, obviously break of structure, right? So your stop loss will be somewhere there, and you have to capture all these RR. Obviously, this meant for 1 hour, remember? But if you know manual knowledge, if you know the trend, if you know there's a draw on liquidity, there's a unfilled gaps, which is key important, right? All these things, see, all these lows, you could have captured so much R. One thing you can do is take a Fibonacci to 0.25, 0.75. You just draw this here. You just draw the Fibonacci and then you can take a profit at 0.75 and move your stop loss to break even. So you can keep on capturing the RR. So 3 cells. So I will put input 3 win studies on AUD CAD. Just 3 wins on the Monday itself. On Tuesday, we got a sell signal here again. So 100% win rate, 3. That's enough for a week to be honest, but I've been completely transparent and literally taking every random signals because I have coded everything. Here we got another sell signal here. A stop loss technically could have been here, right? Another win. So that's 4 in a row. 4 win on the Tuesday. And on Wednesday, we got a 1 loss, which is fine. We're still up $3,000. Another sell, stop loss here, take profit would have been hit. I'm gonna speed run, I don't want to waste any time. And then we got the buy. Again, TP has been hit, right? So the buy, you would have a cotton buy here. A stop loss here and book profit at this high, which is 1.43 RR. This sell also hit take profit if you take on another account, or else this was invalid. So 2 more wins here, right? So short here, this easily one of my best work ever, I would say. Also hit the take profit. Obviously you have to when there's any key liquidity, you have to put stop loss about that. That's done. And then we got a buy here, which is also on Thursday. So long on the signal. Where's the breakout structure? Right here, right? And 1 hour would be either targeted this side because it's clearly liquidity. But if you want to target the 1 hour, that's 1 hour also hit. So another win. 8 wins in 2 days. It's just I'm running out of words. That Gucci's and it's absolutely steal for 11,999. But anyways, we got another sell, but it's for inside the Asia session, meaning which is a low probability by and large. So you could have taken this with the less risk, right? Again, take profit is hit on USD 9 wins, 1 loss. It's just crazy. And then we didn't get any signals on Friday. So on AUD we had a 9 wins, just 1 loss, 90% win rate last week. AUD right? Now I will go to USD JPY, and our stat is 9-1, right? 9-1. And where is the Monday? Monday we didn't take any signals, fine. This is in the session, which have also hit the, see there is an imbalance, right? Couple of imbalance there. Your stop loss should be above that. So short, sell, stop loss here, and TP it is low. So this would have hit the stop loss. So 1 loss. And these 2 buys would have hit the take profits, meaning 2 more wins. This sell would have hit it easily 1 hour. Stop loss here and TP here, right? Short, sell, right? This is where the indicator gave a sell. Stop loss above the breakup structure. They really gave 1.3 on. Nice. Okay, I will disable the magnet tool. This was again 1 hour easy, right? Another win. And we got a buy again. Oh my god, this is so good. Imagine 12 wins in just 2 days, right? And then 2 losses. Like if you list 1,000, that's a $10,000 profit. If you are using multiple accounts like mine, that's like a crazy profit, right? Long, boom. It's a relative equal loss, so I will put below here. Okay, and TP would be this high. We capture 1.5 R here on the buys. Another win. Since OBS is recording, it's kind of stuck. But anyway, buy here, and this would have been again. It's inside no trade zone, so it would be half a risk. Buy. Nonetheless, I will put on sell, a stop loss, and then this sell would have been an easy take profit, and these two are easy take profits. That meaning two more wins. Boom, boom. 15 trades in few days, right? And then again win. 16 wins, just 3 loss, and that's done for the USD JPY. 84% win rate. And then Euro USD. Euro USD, this was on Monday, clean sell, right? This was on Sunday, it is pretty much invalid. Monday here, if you can observe here, right? Stop loss would be this. Even if you double click on my indicator and enable SL line, see, that would be your stop loss, right? I'll disable the SL line. Short here, stop loss was showing here. Again, so much I'll capture, but let's just stick to 1 hour, other win. So what was the stat on the USD JPY? 16 wins and 3 loss. Now it's 17 wins and 3 loss. 85% win rate, another win here. Again, same concept guys. These are unfilled gaps, and if you're watching my reels, obviously your stop loss goes above. Why? Because we tested the imbalance. This of course candle tested the imbalance, so this becomes a key resistance, right? So sell, boom, again TP hit, another win. Again, I'm literally taking no discretion at all. Win. And Euro USD pretty much didn't printed any more signals at all. So we are at the, again, sell was hit here on the Friday. This was also TP could have been hit, another win. So we're at 19 wins, 3 loss. So moving on to USD CAD, 19 wins, 3 loss. 19 wins, 3 loss. You could have passed the account, you could have in the live account, you could have made so much. Now USD CAD, when was this? Monday. Monday there was no signal, and Tuesday there was a clean buy, and it just went rally up, right? This would be your take profit levels and all. So another win, so that becomes 23 wins, 20 wins, that is. Here are 2 more buys. Boom, boom on USD CAD. Another win here. Trust me, I will be closing this for sure because it's just too good. And this was it. Would have hit this stop loss. This is technically invalid, but I'm taking random trades. Not random really, but indicator goods, everything. Iron Celis is the winner. 24 wins, 4 loss. 1, 2, 3. Taking trades based on just signals. Smart BS is really next level. So, stopping into USD CAD, we had 24 wins, right? So imagine you this like $1,000 across 5 accounts. That's a crazy amount of profit, right? That is $1,000 into 5 because you are copy trading on the 5 accounts. Let's just say that. So 24 wins would be, let me just calculate, 25, $5,000 into 24 is $120,000. Let me just calculate properly. Give me a couple of minutes, guys. So it's $5,000, $5,000 into 24, which is $120,000, right? Now the losses minus 4 losses, meaning 4 into $5,000, which is $20,000 loss. So the net is $100,000 in just 1 week. I didn't take all the signal, but I took many of it, and yeah, it's just crazy. And I shifted to live account because I wanted to just withdraw whenever I can, very quickly without following the platforms, consistency, whatever consistency or minimal trading days, you wait for 1 week, depends on the performance, right? But $100,000 trading based on pure signals, copy trading just $50,000 on 5 accounts or $100,000, whatever it is, right? $100,000 profit, guys. And we are not done yet. There is AUDCHF, right? When was this? And let me just update the stat: 24 wins, 4 loss. Double click. 24 wins and just 5 loss. Okay, now where is the Monday? Monday is here. There was a sell signal here, right? Let me just enable the stop loss line. Yeah, would have hit the stop loss here. So I will put this stop loss. Technically, if you have the knowledge, you would have put even above, but that's just fine. And then again, two more. But again, there's an imbalance here. There's an unmitigated fair value gap, right? These unmitigated fair value gap are the strong areas, right? I put the line here. You would have put the stop loss around here where my mouse is. So again, one hour could have been potentially hit here. Let me just see. Yes, 1.14. Another 2 wins, right? Boom, boom. And again, we had a sell signal. Stop loss would be there. Again, 1 hour was hit, right? So another win. This is on ADGSF. Another win. This sell stop loss would be here. Hit the take profit. Boom. And then buy would have hit the take profit again. Stop loss here. 1 hour would be there. Another win. There was a sell there. Stop loss would be above all these relative equal highs. That is our liquidity, which was never got taken. My stop loss would be somewhere there. So again, sell would have hit the TP as well. Another win. Another sell here. Clear, another win. And this is pretty much in right, but let's just take this signal as well. Easily 1 hour would have been hit. Taking just random signals, you would have got almost 40 trades with 85% win rate. So what would have been an end of the day profit, end of the week profit, with the 33 wins and 6 loss. 33 wins, right? And $1,000 risk into 5 accounts, 6 losses, $1,000 risk. This is why I prefer live accounts if you have capital. If you don't have capital, obviously profit is like gives you crazy leverage. That would have been into 5, right? So let me just calculate. Is equal to so let me just calculate $5,000 into 33 wins, that is, which is $165,000. And the $1,000 into 5 losses would be $5,000, right? 6 losses, sorry. $5,000 into 6 would be $30,000 loss. So what's the net, guys? This is the power of the smashment. This is the power of my indicator. So net would be in 1 week since from the release. I released last Monday, right? So that would be $135,000, which is in INR. How much the dollar rate? As much as I love Indian economy to improve, but dollar rate is so high, right? So I can't help. So 95, I guess. Yeah, 1 crore. There have been a 1.3 crore profit. 1.3 CR in 1 week following literally random signal with little to no effects, right? Efforts. And this indicator is smart BS, which you will be getting on this plan. And I'm definitely going to because this is too good. Okay, and there's lots of effort has gone behind that, obviously. Especially the signal provides based on the trend. And reading the trend is very discretionary, so it's really hard to code. And thanks to Cloud, obviously I use Cloud a lot. And what I did was I used not only manual like breakup structure, but I also used something known as volume weighted average, which is VWAP. So I'm combining VWAP in order to read the trend. So it's really damn good. So you'd have been up 1 crore if you'd have copy traded in $100,000 across 5 accounts, right? So that's for the smart BS indicator. Smart BS meaning buy and sell, right? And second indicator is 0 day. 0 day is meant for the futures. Obviously, all this also works on future. You guys can back this for yourself, right? And here is the MNQ. MNQ weekly P&L would have been $8,000. And again, $50,000, 5 accounts. It's automatically calculates, right? And if you have to target TP1, you would have gotten the 62% win rate, right? If you targeted TP2, you'd have gotten even more R, right? See, where is the Monday? Tuesday, Monday, nice, very nice short signal. However, if you capture the one, you would have gotten a very negative order, but it did take profit nonetheless. So again, $8,000 profit on the uh, 0 day indicator, and this could have been your profit plus $8,000, right? We have made like close to $140,000 paper money, not financial advice. I mean, I'm running. It's how do I explain? This is seriously good. And the tool.wait.zone. Make sure you check it out. Now I will go to weekly analysis. Now, obviously, remember I will be uploading videos tonight. So I got a really good response. So, but I haven't provided them the video set. But tonight I am not gonna sleep. Make videos how to read the trend, how to manage risk better, so you can manage even better RRs, right? So if you have little technical knowledge, you could even exploit even better. And this technical knowledge is not hard to get. It's simple market structure, imbalance, three candle pattern, fair value gap, whatever. There is a famous indicator, Nephew Sam FVG. You can just add that and then put the stop loss above. If there's a couple of imbalance present at the upside, you can always put the stop loss above instead the or above the breakup structure. So you can capture even better RR, right? So this could have been your profit. That's literally crazy. Now we'll go to the weekly analysis. And weekly, what do we got here? And weekly, tomorrow is Monday. We got a no news Monday. So I won't be trading on the no news Monday because it's usually low probability. I wouldn't be following, especially 0 day indicator at all on the no news Monday. I'm damn sure I'm not gonna trade tomorrow. Okay. And then Tuesday is looking decent to trade, especially at the open. Consumer is there. Wednesday is also good. Thursday is also good. Friday I will again avoid because it's a bank holiday. Bank holiday and no news Monday is better to avoid. Obviously, you could very well make profits, but in the long run, that's what matters. Is it's all about long run. What you're gonna make 6 months, a quarterly, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months. So when you add it all up, these bank holidays and no news Mondays are low probabilities. So it's better to avoid. And same with this indicator too. It's not about 1 week, even though it's been a crazy week. You should always stick to strategy. If you bought my indicator and you learned the mechanical strategy behind it, you got the confidence and all, you should follow again and again. That's how trading works. Okay. Now, as for the weekly analysis, again, Monday is no news Monday. Friday, as I said, I will avoid both of these days. So I'll be trading 1, 2, 3, almost 4 days, right? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, pretty much 3 days. So, but I am expecting very much volatility across market. Why? Because there are a couple of red folder news. Not only that, it's also the monthly open, close to monthly open, right? So monthly candle gonna close, so many things, right? This is where the discussion part comes. And with this indicator, you don't even need the discussion part. Anyway, DXY, why DXY? Let me just explain. I explained so much. There's something known as the inverse correlation, right? For example, this is a DXY. If DXY is going up, all the major forex pairs will go down, including MNQ. Okay, this is something no one talks about. So it's important to analyze the DXY chart. And going by DXY chart, if you have watched my previous weekly analysis on my Instagram at Vedachal, you would have followed all this, right? This was our major liquidity. If you go to monthly chart, there's a major intra-range liquidity here, right? I want this to tap, right? So go to weekly. Immediate our liquidity is this. Highly likely we're gonna tap that. If the price does decide to come down, you could see the up movement from this weekly imbalance to again upwards. So something like this, right? Something like that on the DXY. And if in case the body closes below on this week, obviously we will turn bearish. But on DXY, I'm bullish, meaning all other forex pair will be bearish. This is why it's important to analyze the DXY chart. And that's as per the DXY. Now Euro USD on the monthly, and if you've been a member of my masterclass and or one-to-one, I have shared on my private Discord, right? Private Discord on March itself, I anticipated price to tap here and go down to here, which is almost like 6% down. I'm still in the swing trade. And what is happening? Exactly that on the Euro USD, right? See, boom, boom. I do want even more bearish because here is another intraday liquidity on the monthly chart going per the weekly. Again, I have explained in this my reel. We tested the imbalance and created the up close candle. Now this up close candle becomes the key resistance. And what happened on the 15th of June? This weekly candle took the high of this previous candle and swing failure pattern, meaning wick above, close the body below. We are more bearish. So you could have again involved in the shorts. Makes sense, right? Now we have a CCS, candle body close below. So we are more bearish. Whenever the body close above here, we are bearish. If it had closed above like that, we would have been bullish, right? Again, I'm looking at the bearish only, and it's perfectly aligns with our DXY because DXY is bullish. Makes sense, right? And I do want this intraday liquidity to be hit. It is a key low here. There's small support here, so I would be cautious to take profit there. And the DXY is done, and XAUSD. XAUSD I have been calling 2TT, right? Where is it? Again, Euro USD. See, I have called the shots from this high itself, from here itself, and we came down here. See, boom, boom on a weekly chart. See, boom, boom. Now on the XAUSD, we have very close to this intraday liquidity, which is also unmitigated weekly fair value gap or imbalance, right? And as a confidence, we have a caught-list key low. So I want to tap that. Also this big blue zone, why? Because it's a monthly intraday liquidity. See, internal to external, as simple as that. If the weekly is created something like that, we could still test this imbalance and then come down, or we could just come down. If in case we hit above and close the body above, we are again bearish, bullish. So if we see the weekly candle above 43.83, I am turning bullish on gold. Up until then, no plan, we are only bearish. Makes sense, right? In Nasdaq also, I have called this long. This is my swing long. I called it on let me go to weekly chart. This one, right? This, yes. Let me go to Nasdaq. Obviously, oil has been a quoted call ever. Posted on 3rd February remains one of my quoted call. Before anyone, I called it long for the oil, and here you go. Nasdaq, I was anticipating that on April, and that's what exactly happened on the monthly chart, right? Boom. See, April. This was my swing trade. I involved there. All of didn't I didn't get triggered all of my position because even below I had some orders, but it's been a hell of a swing trade. That's as per the MNQ. And BTC USD, again same stuff, imbalances, swing failure pattern, and I wanted this, and I even posted. I'm almost 100% sure this low is gonna hit. That's also I posted, and it's been hit, right? Now, however, on the Bitcoin, we are approaching key support zone, right? These are all key support zone for me. So I am loading up on my potential uh, swings here, right? And all these orange lines are potential support. So a little bit cautious on Bitcoin, and I'm looking for potential big buys for next all-time highs coming quarter 4, and we're close to quarter 4. And I have explained Bitcoin in depth in my YouTube channel. Please go and check it out. So the weekly analysis is also done. And what else our objective? Obviously, you can add all the indicators here. Our giveaway winners announcement. We have a GFT and Blueberry, right? Let me pick winners. Where is my cell phone? I'm just gonna pick random winners by reading the name. And Gold Funded Trader, there are 3 giveaways, and Blueberry, there is 5. Whoever put efforts in involving these giveaways, I will just announce the winners. So first is GFT. So I just opened my Instagram. Okay, Instagram added some restriction. Let me just fix that. No worries, I'll fix later. So the first winner is Sampath. Second is Afros. Let me pick the third winner. And this is my post, the GFT post, which I posted on 28th, 18th. Let me just randomly scroll here. And there are lots of people, XAM traders, beta target, nothing trader. I mean, when I see these weird names, I mean, nothing against them, but I want legit names because people create so many fake accounts and keep on participating in a giveaway. I don't want that. There's some guy named Sativa Peter. Okay, Sativa Peter. Congratulations. All of you guys will get $5,000 evaluation account from GFT in this week, or might take some time. Please be patient. Like sometimes it might take 3 to 4 weeks to credit the account. Now I will pick the Blueberry winners as well. Shamini, congratulations. And there's another guy I wanted to pick who put the effort. Congratulations. And make sure you have created account using my link. 3 more winners. I will pick from my latest post, which is this post. This post. Someone commented. Who commented? BB. This guy tagged there's so many guys. With FX, congratulations. Make sure you are following me so I can DM you guys. And two more winners. Two more. Angry Queen 143. Congratulations. Angry Queen, I don't know why you're angry. But whatever. So last winner. Michael Emery. Congratulations as well. Michael Emery. But he is not following me, but do follow me. Michael Emery. Michael. I will reach out to all of you guys today. Make sure you follow me and create account using my link. So that's the $5,000 giveaway, total of $40,000 evaluation. Congratulations. Use it for practice, or if you have a skill, or if you are bought my indicators, follow that, pass the account, get the payout, and if you fail it, you have nothing to lose. It's a practice because it's a giveaway account. You haven't spent a penny, right? So it is huge opportunities. And that's about it, guys. And I will end the video with this. Tools.with.zone. Get pro access, and if you want one-to-one mentorship, you can go for this. But this is like golden lifetime access. And that's it. Congratulations all the winners. And that's it. You can also chat in my WhatsApp or Instagram. That's it. And see you soon in the next video. This video is all you need.